exposing the secret behind Chicago's coziest restaurants. It's all about top-notch HVAC services. Keeping your restaurant comfortable is crucial for customer satisfaction. At Restaurant HVAC Chicago, we specialize in providing reliable and affordable HVAC services tailored specifically for restaurants. Our experienced technicians understand the unique challenges of commercial kitchens, from managing heat and moisture to ensuring proper ventilation and air quality. We offer 24/7 emergency repair services, because we know that downtime is not an option in the restaurant business. Regular maintenance is key to preventing costly breakdowns. That's why we provide comprehensive furnace tune-up services designed to keep your heating system running smoothly all year round. Partnering with us means you can focus on running your business, while we take care of your HVAC needs. Don't let HVAC issues disrupt your operations. Call Restaurant HVAC Chicago today at 877-627-8565 to discuss our commercial furnace repair and affordable maintenance options. Ensure your restaurant's heating system is always in top condition with services you can trust. Remember, a comfortable restaurant is a successful restaurant. Let us keep your space cozy, so you can focus on what you do best. Call us now at 877-627-8565. Restaurant HVAC Chicago, your partner in comfort.